Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we're talking about Flash Loan. We're talking about Mythos AI, the Claude thing from Anthropic. It just got banned, but the point is something will happen and different other competitors of Anthropic will uh, develop a better AI, right? A better agent that will help us with our arbitrage bot using a flash loan. All right. So the point is this: I was just ready to do today a lot of work, and last night this thing happened. Actually, yesterday, 5:21 p.m. that the government shut down, banned the anthropic type of thingy, right? Um, the Fable 5. So out of hunger, I was ready today to start my um, bot again. So have a look, and I'm advising you to do this thing. Okay. So remember, talk to your AI and give him these instructions. Don't be afraid because your AI will issue two type of contracts. Okay, so one it's a Solidity contract. The second one it's a Python contract. All right, and I gave Manus AI these instructions: go on Etherscan and do the reverse engineering and find like create me and improve the these two contracts. So one of them to scan all the market for inconsistencies like difference of prices to find an arbitrage deal. All right, and the second one send all these things to the Solidity contract so it will access a probably a balancer or Aave or Curve or DYDX loan, a flash loan for just under a second, borrow the money, buy low, sell high, keep the difference, okay, and return the loan. It may borrow one, two, $5 million if the token permits this type of transaction, because it may borrow just $200,000 or let's say $80,000, not just because the contract is smart enough to make sure that it stays in profit. Because if you buy on a low market, on a decentralized exchange, let's say on SushiSwap, if he finds a cheaper Ethereum, right, and he buys it, if he buys it with a huge amount, the token, like the Ethereum, will grow on that exchange. The market maker, the automatic AMM, automatic market maker, will lift up the price. So this has to be calculated and to be profitable after we pay the flash loan. Okay, because there will be a fee, a commission, probably 0.05 or 0.02. We'll see. The point is this: go to your AI and asking to find these transactions and to deploy uh, to deploy a smart contract on Solidity and the matching one for a scanner on Python to go scan all the markets. Just to give you an example, it uses Alchemy key to search the markets. All right, so okay, let me give you an example. So I'll show you what happened. First, I'll show you here. This is the second contract. Okay, this is the Python. So remember, save these. On my contract, it's named Pendle underscore multi market bot. All right, it's saved .py like on the Python, but on the notepad. So remember, save it on the notepad, and these notepads save it on the desktop. So you can give cool instructions when you deploy it, when you start deploying these search. And it looks like these, and these are a lot of lines of code. I can give it to you in the description, or you can join my Telegram group and I'll give it to you. Okay, the point is, this is the Python contract, and the second one, all right, it's this. Oh no, sorry. Yeah, this is the Solidity. The second one is the Solidity. The most important thing, first you deploy these. So you go to remix.ethereum.org, all right, and give it these instructions, okay? But again, before you do this, take the code and give it um, to your AI agent, okay, to double check it. Because just to give you an example, it will swap type of thing in between Kyber swap, Uniswap, Curve, and different other exchanges, okay? These will uh, this will actually access the flash loan. Just a second, come on, come on. I'm going right here, and Pendle. So Pendle router approve the asset flash amount. So have a look through it and talk to your AI agent to improve it, to make it better. So this way you'll be cool deploying it, okay? So it shows all the instructions in here, and if it finds a cool arbitrage deal, it will borrow those money, buy low in an exchange, sell high on the other, keep the profit after he pays back the loan. So that's why I'm upset today, that I would have loved to give my Manus all my conversation with Manus AI. I would have give it to Mythos, to actually Fable 5. I would have give it to uh, this AI just to improve it, to inspect it again, to check the markets, and see how plausible it is to make some money, because there are an excellent chance that a single transaction can bring me in profit hundreds of thousands of dollars. Legit money, easy money, and yeah, it would be an excellent thingy. So my advice to you again, keep searching, keep feeding your AI with intelligent things, and I'm telling you, the fastest way to make money, it's smart contracts like trading and finding those arbitrage deals, or copy trade uh, excellent wallets, copy trade other uh, smart guys on Polymarket. So follow those big wallets, and another one, go on Hyperliquid. A lot of guys are either shorting Ethereum, or uh, longing Bitcoin, or trading different things on these exchanges. So I'm advising you to just copy trade those successful traders. Again, you can make money with football right now with the World Cup. You can make money with the esports on Polymarket. You can make money trading and copying on Hyperliquid, a lot of transactions. Let's say you can even go long or short if you feel like, or the market shows that you can short um, SpaceX. You have it on Hyperliquid. Okay, so that's kind of it. For any questions, just go on t.me slash hedge4. So remember, t.me slash hedge4. Oh, come on. Oh. All right, so that's kind of it. I apologize for my internet and have a profitable day.